ये थर्ड वीडियो है हमारी 500 प्लस एमसीक्यू सीरीज का। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ज्योग्राफी। इससे पहले दो वीडियो पॉलिटिकल साइंस और एंशियंट हिस्ट्री का आ चुका है, आप उसे जाके देख सकते हैं, जिसमें हम फर्स्ट पार्ट डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। तो अभी इकोनॉमी का वीडियो आना है, इसके बाद सेकंड वीडियो आएगा। सो विद दिस लेट्स स्टार्ट। First question is the famous lagoon lake of India is. So here correct answer is B. Chilika Lake is famous lagoon lake of India. Lagoon is a stretch of salt water separated from the sea by a narrow landform. Chilika Lake is famous for migratory birds and Irrawaddy dolphin. It is situated in district Odisha. Next question is where is Raisina Hills? It is in Delhi. So here correct answer is where Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated. Next question is which of the following pass lies in the Satluj Valley? So here correct answer is C. Shipkila. Shipkila हिमाचल प्रदेश में है, जहां पे सतलुज एंटर करती है हिमाचल में, और हियर ला इन लोकल लैंग्वेज मींस पास. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर इज खेबर पास सिचुएटेड? सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, which is Pakistan. Khyber Pass is situated in Pakistan. Next is where is Panjshir Valley situated? So here correct answer is B. Panjshir Valley is in Afghanistan. The pilgrims of Kailash Mansarovar have to pass through which pass to enter into Tibet? So here correct answer is C, that is Lipu Lake Pass. Next is which of the following cities lies in the westernmost longitude? वेस्टर्नमोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड में कौन सी सिटी सिचुएटेड है, तो हमें ये बताना है. सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, विच इज जयपुर. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू अ रिफ्ट वैली? सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, विच इज नर्मदा. नर्मदा एक रिफ्ट वैली से फ्लो करती है. रिफ्ट वैली एक नैरो पास होता है. नर्मदा जिस रिफ्ट वैली से पास करती है वो सिचुएटेड है विंध्यन रेंज इन द नॉर्थ एंड सतपुड़ा रेंज इन द साउथ. Next is Duncan Passage is located between. So here correct answer is A, South and Little Andaman. Next is India lies in dash hemisphere. So here correct answer is A, northern and eastern. Which of the following mountain range in India are the oldest? So correct answer here is C, which is Aravalli is the oldest mountain range in India. Next question is which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? Closest country to Andaman Island is Myanmar. So correct answer is B. Which of the following uplands is not part of the Telangana plateau? So here correct answer is A, which is Aravalli. Aravalli is not a part of Telangana plateau. Next is where is the Saltora range located? So here correct answer is C, which is part of the Karakoram range. Next is which one of the following is not a part along the western coast of India? So here correct answer is C, which is Tuticorin. Tuticorin जो है वो तमिलनाडु के कोस्ट पे है. It is on the eastern side. So here correct answer is C. Which of the following processes is responsible for producing the sand dunes in western Rajasthan? So here correct answer is wind deposition. Wind deposition produce करती है sand dunes in western Rajasthan. Next is which part of the Himalayas has the maximum stretch from east to west? So here correct answer is Nepal Himalayas. Nepal Himalaya का जो stretch है वो maximum है from east to west. Next question, the standard time of a country differs from the green mean time in multiples of. So here correct answer is C, which is half hour. The Indian subcontinent was originally a part of. So here correct answer is D, which is Gondwana land. Initially टू लैंड मास होते थे. नॉर्थ में होता था अंगारा एंड साउथ में होता था गोंडवाना लैंड मास, और बीच में होता था यहां पे टेथस सी. धीरे धीरे गोंडवाना लैंड ने मूव करना स्टार्ट किया टुवर्ड्स अंगारा लैंड, एंड जो टेथस सी में सेडिमेंट्स डिपॉजिट्स थे वो धीरे धीरे ऊपर आ गए और वो बन गए हिमालयाज. सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज गोंडवाना लैंड. नेक्स्ट इज Naga, Khasi and Garo hills are located in. So here correct answer is A, which is Purvanchal range. Next is which one of the following mountain ranges lies in India? So here correct answer is C, which is Pir Panjal. Here Suleiman range and Salt range is in Pakistan and Yurkan Yama is in Myanmar. Next is which one among the following is the highest peak? So here correct answer is D, Nanda Devi. Nathula, a place where India-China border trade has been resumed after 44 years, is located on the Indian border. So here correct answer is A. Nathula is situated in Sikkim. Next question is the only ape of India found in hill forest of Assam and Nagaland is. So correct answer is gibbon. Gibbon is the only ape which found in India in the forest of Assam and Nagaland. Next is in terms of area, India is the dash largest country of the world, so it's seventh largest country in the world. The approximate length of the coastline of India is, correct answer is D, which is 7500. It includes both mainland and islands, which include Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Next question is, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of these Indian state? So here correct answer is Odisha. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states in India. We will move from west to east. So these states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, MP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So these are the 8 states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Next is Baltoro Glacier is located in, so here correct answer is A, Karakoram range. Next, which of the following cities, towns lies to the northernmost latitude? Out of these city, Patna lies in the northernmost latitude. Which of the following will never get a vertical rays of the sun? Look, vertical rays of the sun, if we draw Earth, this is equator and this is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This is 0 degree here and 23.5 degree and 23.5 degree south. This is south, this is north. जो सन की वर्टिकल रेज होती है वो मैक्सिमम जाती है 23.5 यहाँ तक, विच इज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन तक जाती है. इसके बियॉन्ड जो है वो सन की स्लांटिंग रेज आती है. सो जो प्लेस इनसे बियॉन्ड होगा वहां पे कभी भी वर्टिकल रेज नहीं होगी. सो हियर श्रीनगर में कभी भी वर्टिकल रेज सन की नहीं आएगी. सो करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज ए. Next is the Andaman group and Nicobar group of islands are separated from each other by, correct answer here is A, which is 10 degree channel. Next is the southern tip of India is, so here correct answer is Indira Point, जो कि एक सुनामी में अब सबमर्ज हो गया है. Next question, in which state is the Maikal range situated? So correct answer here is D, which is in Chhattisgarh. Nallamalla hills are located in the state of, so correct answer here is C, which is Andhra Pradesh. The coastal tract of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is called, so correct answer here is Coromandel. Let's draw a rough map of India. Let's say this is peninsular part of India and it's here Goa. So this coast from here Tamil Nadu to Andhra Pradesh is called Coromandel. It's Coromandel. And this coast from here Goa to Kerala is called Malabar. Malabar coast and also Kannad. And from Goa to Gujarat, it's called Konkan. So here correct answer is B, Coromandel coast. Next is highest Indian waterfall is. Before we solve this question, let me tell you one important concept. Waterfalls are of two types. First is plunge waterfall and second is cascading waterfall. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? प्लंज वाटरफॉल में जब पानी टॉप पॉइंट से फॉल करता है टू द बॉटम पॉइंट तो वो डायरेक्टली नीचे आता है, कहीं टच नहीं होता है. वेयर एज इन कास्केडिंग वाटरफॉल इट पासेस ऑन द रॉक्स, लाइक ऐसे थोड़ा सा पहले डायरेक्ट गिरेगा फिर रॉक्स पे आएगा फिर थोड़ा डायरेक्ट गिरेगा. इस तरह से कास्केडिंग वाटरफॉल में वाटर फ्लो होता है. तो जब क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाए, अगर तो डायरेक्ट पूछा जाए विच इज हाईएस्ट इंडियन वाटरफॉल इज, तो उस केस में आंसर होगा कुंचिकल वाटरफॉल. लेकिन अगर पूछा जाता है कि विच इज हाईएस्ट प्लंज वाटरफॉल ऑफ इंडिया, इन दैट केस राइट आंसर इज नोकलिकाई वाटरफॉल. नोकलिकाई वाटरफॉल मेघालय में सिचुएटेड है. इट इज 340 मीटर. And second highest plunge waterfall is Jog Falls. Jog Fall 253 मीटर है. ये सिचुएटेड ऑन शरावती रिवर इन कर्नाटका. अगर कास्केडिंग वाटरफॉल पूछा जाए, हाईएस्ट कास्केडिंग वाटरफॉल इज कुंचिकल एंड सेकंड हाईएस्ट कास्केडिंग वाटरफॉल इज दूध सागर फॉल. तो यहाँ पे पूछा था हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल. इन दैट केस आंसर विल बी कुंचिकल वाटरफॉल. सो हियर बी इज करेक्ट. कुंचिकल वाटरफॉल की हाइट 455 मीटर्स है और ये सिचुएटेड है ऑन वराही रिवर इन शिमोगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका. Next is which Indian state has the largest coastline? So here correct answer is A, which is Andhra Pradesh. और अगर वैसे ही आउट ऑफ टोटल स्टेट्स में देखी जाए तो गुजरात की हाईएस्ट कोस्ट लाइन है. Next is the highest plateau of India is. So here correct answer is C, which is Ladakh. Next is Siachen Glacier is located near to which of the following valleys? So here correct answer is Nubra Valley. Which one of the following is the second highest peak of the world? Here correct answer is C, which is K2, which is situated in Pak occupied Kashmir. Where in India can mushroom rock be found? So here correct answer is C, Thar Desert. Badland topography is characteristics. Badland topography character है चंबल वैली का. Indian desert is called, so correct answer here is C, Thar. Loktak is a lake. It is situated in the Manipur and it is also a national park which is called Kaibul Lamjau National Park. Which of the following state has the longest coastline? So here correct answer is C, Gujarat की जो coastline है that is longest. The pass located in Himachal Pradesh is, so here correct answer is ए शिपकीला, जहां से सतलज एंटर करती है हिमाचल के किन्नौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. मजूली द लार्जेस्ट रिवराइन आइलैंड इन द वर्ल्ड लाइज इन द स्टेट ऑफ, हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, असम. द थार एक्सप्रेस गोज टू, करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, पाकिस्तान. कंचनजंगा इज सिचुएटेड इन, करेक्ट आंसर बी, सिक्किम. Which one of the following is a coastal district in Kerala? So here correct answer is C, Kovalam. In the northeast of the Deccan Plateau is the, so here correct answer is Chota Nagpur Plateau. What is the other name of Sahyadri Range? So here correct answer is C, Western Ghat. Western Ghat का दूसरा नाम सह्याद्री रेंज है. Where did a major earthquake take place in India in 1999? So here correct answer is C, Chamoli in Uttarakhand. The important fishing harbour in India is, so here correct answer is B, which is Cochin. The largest brackish water lake in India is in the state of, so here correct answer is C, which is in Odisha. Arcanioma is an extension of the Himalayas located in, as we have already discussed, Arcanioma is in Myanmar. The belly of Kashmir is located on a, so here correct answer is A, which is Nape. जब फोल्ड्स बनते हैं माउंटेन के, जो फोल्ड सबसे नीचे आ जाता है उसे नेप कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स इज द मेन रीजन फॉर द पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स टू फ्लो टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट? सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस इज ईस्टर्न घाट्स आर लोअर देन द वेस्टर्न घाट्स. That is why most of the peninsular river flows toward the eastern Ghats. Next is Pak Strait separates. So here correct answer is C, India and Sri Lanka को separate करता है Pak Strait. Diego Garcia is an island in the ocean. So here correct answer is B. Indian Ocean में Diego Garcia और ये एक disputed island है between UK and Mauritius. ये currently UK के पास है. Next is Mansarovar Lake is situated in, so here correct answer is C, Tibet. Guru Shikhar on Abu Hills is the highest peak of which mountain range? So here correct answer is D, Aravallis. Guru Shikhar Aravalli का एक highest peak है. Kullu Valley in India is famous for the cultivation of, so here C is correct for apples. Which of the following hills connect eastern and western Ghats? So here correct answer is Nilgiri. An example of horseshoe-shaped coral island in the neighborhood of India is, correct answer here is C, which is Lakshadweep. Which is the highest peak to the south of the Vindhyas? Correct answer here is C, which is Anaimudi. Which of the following imaginary line almost divide India into two equal parts? So here correct answer is B, that is Tropic of Cancer. Which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Island? Correct answer here is C, which is Saddle Peak. Saddle Peak is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next is which of the following states in Jog Falls located? Jog Falls कौन से स्टेट में लोकेटेड है? सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, कर्नाटका. जोग फॉल्स शरावती रिवर पे है और ये सेकंड हाईएस्ट प्लंज वाटरफॉल है. इसकी हाइट 253 मीटर्स है. Beyond the dash, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. So here correct answer is B, which is Diang Gorge. Next is the fertile land between two rivers is called. So here correct answer is C, which is Doab. The coast that belongs to Kerala is known as. So here correct answer is Malabar. और इसको कन्नड़ भी कहते हैं, जो प्लेन्स है यहाँ पे. Which of the following water bodies is the home of Lakshadweep? Correct answer here is A, which is Arabian Sea. Which of the following region supports the Karewa formation? So correct answer here is Kashmir Himalayas. कश्मीर में जब ग्लेशियर्स में स्नो स्लाइड होकर नीचे वैलीज में आती है तो अपने साथ वो अलग अलग टाइप की सब्सटेंसेस लाती है, लाइक सॉइल एंड अदर सब्सटेंसेस. जब वैलीज में स्नो आती है तो यहाँ पे वो मेल्ट हो जाती है, जो वापस यहाँ पे बचते हैं उसे कहते हैं करेवाज. और ये करेवा जो है वो विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ सेफ्रॉन. Which of the following hill range dominated by the Doda Beta peak? So here correct answer is A, which is Nilgiri Hills. The sea which existed in the place of Himalaya was, so correct answer here is Tethys Sea. Which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? So correct answer here is A, which is Ganga. रिवर का बेसिन होता है जहां से कोई मेन रिवर बह रही है और साथ में जो ट्रिब्यूटरीज आ रही है जितने एरिया को कवर कर रहा है उसे कहा जाता है रिवर बेसिन। ये सारा इस रिवर का बेसिन है जिसे ये ड्रेन करते हैं। The Kullu Valley is situated between. Here correct answer is A, which is Ladakh and Pir Panjal. Who prepares the topographical maps of India? So here correct answer is B, Survey of India. Next is the mountain which are not a part of the Himalayan chain. So here correct answer is A, which is Aravalli. Kunlunchen, Karakoram and Hindu Kush are the part of Himalayan chain, but whereas Aravalli is not the part of Himalayan chain. Which of the following places receives the highest rainfall in the world? Here correct answer is Mount Siram, which is in Meghalaya. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time, that is IST, and Greenwich Mean Time? So here correct answer is C, 5 hours and 30 minutes. Which of the following is the highest peak in undisputed Indian territory? So here correct answer is C, which is Nanda Devi is the highest peak in undisputed Indian territory. But when we talk about India as a whole, so it's K2, which is currently is in POK. Palghat joins which of the following state? The correct answer here is B. Palghat joins Maharashtra and Gujarat. Which of the following region of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? So here correct answer is B, which is western disturbances. The northern part of the west coast is known as. The correct answer is C, which is Konkan coast. The central highlands of Indian peninsula blocks are formed of. So here correct answer is C, which is igneous and metamorphic rocks. The Thal, Bhor and Pal Ghats are the passes in. Correct answer is A, Western Ghat. Next is which among the following is not true about the Himalayan river? So here B is not true. They receive water only from rains because they also receives water from melted snow. So here B is correct. What is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summers? So here correct answer is C, Lu. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Island is located in. So here correct answer is D, which is Northern Andaman. Consider the following statement are related to the Himalayan range. First is it forms the highest mountain range in the world extending 2500 km over northern India. This statement is correct. It forms the highest mountain range in the world. Second is bounded by the Indus River in the west and Brahmaputra in the east. The three parallel ranges, the Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks, have deep canyons got by the river flowing into the Gangetic plain. So here both the statements are correct. Here correct answer is C, which is both 1 and 2. Next is the place Sabrimala is situated in which of the following states? So here correct answer is C. Sabrimala situated in Kerala. Next is which of the following factor is characteristic by the cold weather season in India? So here correct answer is C, cool days and cold nights. Which among the following is the place of confluence of the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi? Correct answer here is A, which is Vishnu Prayag. Which one of the following countries share the longest land frontier with India? Correct answer here is A, which is Bangladesh shares the longest land frontier with India. Which one of the following longitude is the standard meridian for India? So here correct answer is 82 degree and 30 minute east. Next is monsoon arrives in India approximately in. So here correct answer is B, early June. Which of the following geographical term related to the piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water? So here correct answer is island. Which of the following geographical term related to the body of land surrounded by water on three sides? So correct answer here is peninsula. Which of the following geographical term related to the naturally formed narrow typically navigable waterway that connects two large bodies of water? So here correct answer is C, which is strait. Next is which of the following is a suitable definition of archipelago? So here correct answer is B, which is a chain or set of islands grouped together is called archipelago. Which of the following is the largest archipelago in the world? So here correct answer is C, Malaya archipelago is the largest archipelago in the world. Which of the following is the largest peninsula? So here correct answer is C, which is Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. Next is which of the following passes cuts through the Pir Panjal range and links Manali and Leh by road? So here correct answer is A, which is Rohtang Pass connects Manali and Leh by road. Which of the following pass has been created by the Indus River? So here correct answer is D, which is Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass located in the Pir Panjal range of Jammu and Kashmir. Which passes makes way to the land route between Kailash and Mansarovar? So here correct answer is A, which is Lipu Lake Pass. Lipu Lake Pass is a Himalayan mountain pass at India, Uttarakhand and Tibet border. It is the Uttarakhand region. The land route of the Mansarovar and the Kailash passes through it. Next is which of the following passes links Srinagar to Leh? So here correct answer is D, which is Zojila Pass. The largest delta in India formed by the confluence of Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna river is known as, so correct answer here is A, which is Sundarban Delta. Which of the following is India's longest coastline stretching along the western side of the country? So here correct answer is B, which is Arabian Sea coast. The river Narmada is originate from, so here correct answer is Amarkantak Plateau. Which one of the following lake is a salt water lake? So here correct answer is A, which is Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. Which one of the following is the longest river of peninsular India? Peninsular India की longest river है Godavari. Which one of the following describes the drainage pattern resembling the branches of a tree? So here correct answer is dendritic. Mountain range in the eastern part of the India forming its boundary with the Myanmar are collectively called as. Here correct answer is B, Purvanchal. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as. So here correct answer is Kannad and Malabar. The highest peak in the eastern Ghat is. So here correct answer is B, which is Mahendragiri is the highest peak of eastern Ghats. Which of the following country have common frontier with the Indian state like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim? So here correct answer is B, Nepal. Which one of the following union territories of India will best suited for summer vacation if you choose Kavravati to visit? So here correct answer is C, Lakshadweep. Which of the following the country does not share land boundary with India? So here correct answer is C, Tajikistan do not share land boundary with India. Which of the following is called southernmost Himalayas? Correct answer here A, Shivalik are the southernmost Himalaya or it is also known as outer Himalaya. In which of the following state is the Vular Lake located? So here correct answer is D. Vular Lake is in Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following is popular name of the Indian islands in the Arabian Sea? So here correct answer is B. Lakshadweep Island. Which one of the following is the oldest mountain range in India? So correct answer here is A. Aravalli is the oldest mountain range in India. Which one of the following region is famous for the endangered Ridley turtles? So here correct answer is A. Garimatha Beach, famous for endangered Ridley turtle. Every year thousands of Ridley turtle came here for nesting. Which of the following related to the state of inactivity adopted by the desert animal during the hottest and driest season? जो एक इनएक्टिविटी अडॉप्ट करते हैं एनिमल जो डेजर्ट में रहते हैं इन हॉटेस्ट टेम्परेचर में, दैट इज कॉल्ड एस्टिवेशन, और हाइबरनेशन करते हैं जो एनिमल्स रहते हैं कोल्ड एरिया में. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज आर रिलेटेड टू द फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंस ओशियन करंट्स. यहाँ पे हमें फैक्टर्स बताने जो इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं ओशियन करंट्स को. फर्स्ट इज रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ, यस इट डज. एयर प्रेशर एंड द विंड, यस इज ऑल्सो. थर्ड इज ओशियन वाटर डेंसिटी, यस, बिकॉज जो सॉल्ट वाटर होता है, सॉल्ट वाटर इज मोर डेंस और उसकी जो मूवमेंट होती है वो स्लो हो जाती है एज कंपेयर टू द फ्रेश वाटर. इज रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ, रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ जो इन्फ्लुएंस होता है करंट को नहीं करता है. सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज 1 2 3 विच इज बी. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिलेटेड टू द वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज. Rise to the west of 80° east longitude between the Indus and Kali river. This statement is correct. Vegetation consists mainly of alpine and coniferous forest. This statement is also correct. So here correct answer is C, which is both 1 and 2. Which of the following countries are divided by the Red Cliff line? So here correct answer is A. India and Pakistan are divided by the Red Cliff Line. Which of the following countries are divided by the Durand Line? So here correct answer is again A. Afghanistan and Pakistan are divided by the Durand Line. Here is India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri. So here correct answer is C, which is Antarctica. Which of the following Indian state touches the boundaries of maximum number of the other states? So here correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh touches the maximum number of boundary of other states. Consider the following statement related to the eastern Himalayas. Lie to the east of 88 degrees east longitude between the Tista and Brahmaputra river. This statement is correct. Second is large tracts are covered with dense evergreen forest. This is also correct. So here correct answer is C, which is both 1 and 2. Where is the Duncan Pass located? So here correct answer is A, South and Little Andaman. Which of the following cities are called the twin cities? Here correct answer is C. Hyderabad and Secunderabad is known as twin cities. Which state is called the sugar bowl of India? Here correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following countries are divided by McMahon Line? Correct answer here is B. India and China. Which is the highest dam in India? Here correct answer is D, which is Tehri Dam, which it is situated on the Bhagirathi river. To the following coast where Gulf of Mannar is located. So here correct answer is A, which is Tamil Nadu. Consider the following statement regarding Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It enjoys the equatorial climate. This is correct. This is the only place in India where a volcano is located. Yes, this is correct. Have a only volcano which is called Varan Island. The only place in India where coral bed is found. This statement is incorrect because coral bed is also found in Lakshadweep and Gulf of Kutch. So here C is correct, both 1 and 2. What is the name of southernmost hill range in India? Here correct answer is E, which is Cardamom Hills. Which of the following factor is responsible for low rainfall in eastern slope of the Western Ghats? Correct answer here is their leeward location. Which of the following region is famous for the lion-tailed macaw? Here correct answer is B, Western Ghats of Kerala. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? First is Miri Hills, Arunachal Pradesh. This is correct. Mikir Hills, Assam. This is also correct. Lushai Hills, Mizoram. Also correct. Abhor Hills, Meghalaya. This is incorrect because Abhor Hill is in Arunachal Pradesh only. So here correct answer is D. Consider the following statement is are related to the climate of India. It has tropical monsoon type climate. This statement is correct. Second is alternating seasons is chief characteristic of Indian climate. Yes, this is also correct. So here correct answer is C, both 1 and 2. Consider the following statement is are related to the factor affecting the climate of India. First is latitude. This is correct. Second is distance from the sea. This is also correct. So here correct answer is C, which is both 1 and 2. Which of the following is defined the northern frontier of India? डिफाइन करता है इंडिया के नॉर्दर्न फ्रंटियर को. सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, हिमालयन माउंटेन रेंज. द फॉलोइंग इज द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट इन इंडिया. सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, विच इज कंचनजंगा. Which of the following region in India receives rainfalls from the western disturbances? So here correct answer is A, Punjab. Which of the following place in Jammu and Kashmir famous for saffron cultivation? So here correct answer is A, Pampore. Which of the following reason for the tropical climate of India? So here correct answer is B, location of the Himalayas in its north. Next is which of the following region is famous for the Asiatic wild ass? So here correct answer is A, Rann of Kutch. Select the correct order of the hill station on the basis of heights. Here correct answer is B, Srinagar, Darjeeling, Shimla and Leh. Which of the following pair mountain ranges and their location is not correctly matched? First is Zanskar Range, Kashmir. This is correct. Dhauladar Range, Himachal Pradesh. This is also correct. Singalila Range, Arunachal Pradesh. This is incorrect because this range is in West Bengal. Next is Kumaon Range, Uttarakhand. This is also correct. So correct answer here is C. Which of the following Himalayan mountain range where the Kashmir Valley lie? So here correct answer is C, Zanskar and Pir Panjal. Which of the following river do not discharge its water into Bay of Bengal? So here correct answer is Tapi. It flows westward and drain its water into the Arabian Sea. Which of the following river system forms the delta? So here correct answer is C, which is Godavari, Kaveri and Mahanadi. Where is the Bagliar Hydro Power Project located? Correct answer here is B, on Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following river system formed the river Padma? The correct answer is A, Ganga and Brahmaputra. The name of Padma is in Bangladesh. Which of the following part of India receives the first monsoon in summer? Correct answer here is Western Ghats. Which of the following soil is characterized by the cracks and shrinks when it dries? So correct answer is black clay soil. Which of the following state is famous for the tropical forest of Silent Valley? So here correct answer is C, which is Kerala. Next is which of the following are the features of Himalayan rivers? First is perennial in nature. Yes, this is the feature of Himalayan river. Uncertain nature and capricious behavior. Yes, this is also the feature of Himalayan river. Some are meandering in their flow and subject to the drastic change of course. Yes, this is also so here all of the above. So the following Indian state UT is the least populous according to the India's 2011 census. So here correct answer is C, which is Lakshadweep is least populous. Next is which of the following is the largest lake in India? So here correct answer is D, which is Chilika Lake in Odisha. Next is which of the following river originate near Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra? Kaveri? No. Krishna? Yes. Koyna? Yes. So here correct answer is D. Both Krishna and Koyna originate near Mahabaleshwar and Koyna is the tributary of Krishna river. Next is which of the following state has the hydel power project Nathpa Jhakri? So here correct answer is A. It is in Himachal Pradesh, Kinnaur district. Which of the following is India's oldest oil refinery in India? So here correct answer is Digboi. It is in Assam. Which makes the Kaleshwara famous? Here correct answer is B, which is exploration of oil and natural gas. Which of the following river system form a part of the Koyna river? Here correct answer is B, the Krishna river. Koyna is a tributary of Krishna river. Which of the following factor is support the non-perennial feature of peninsular as river? Fall is seasonal, fall is low, rainfall varies from year to year. Answer is A, rainfall is seasonal. That is why peninsular rivers are non-perennial. Factors responsible for letting the Indian peninsular river, the Narmada and Tapi rivers to flow westward. These old river courses, no. Valleys by erosion, no. Fault boundedness, yes. This is the reason direct the Indian peninsular river of Narmada and Tapi to flow westward. Tuni river is flowing from which of the following region? So here correct answer is B, Rajasthan. The Tapi river is flowing from which of the following region? So here correct answer is A, Satpura range. Which of the following river is also called Sorrow of Bengal? Correct answer here is D, the Damodar. Damodar is a tributary of Hooghly river and Hooghly is a distributary of river Ganga. Next is which of the following state in India known for the famous lake Fular? So here correct answer is C, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following river is also called Sangpo in Tibet? So here correct answer is B, Brahmaputra river is known as Sangpo in Tibet. Which of the following is India's most important region for water precipitation? So here correct answer is A, Himalayas. Which of the following is the river islands of Brahmaputra? So correct answer here is A, Majuli. Which of the following is the second longest river in India after the river Ganga, having its source at Triambakeshwara, Maharashtra? So here correct answer is A, Godavari. Which one of the following river is not a distributary of Ganga? B, Yamuna, because Yamuna is a tributary of Ganga. Hooghly is a distributary in West Bengal, whereas Padma and Pasur are distributary in Bangladesh. So correct answer here is D. Which among the following river forms an estuary? So here correct answer is B, Narmada forms estuary and only best flowing river form estuary. East flowing rivers do not form estuary. On which river National Waterway 1 is located? So here correct answer is A, Ganga. National Waterway 1 is the longest national waterway and it is located on the river Ganga and it runs from Allahabad to Haldia in West Bengal. On which river Hirakund Dam is situated? Correct answer here is B, Mahanadi in Odisha. The following river is Androik River of Western Rajasthan state. It originates in valley of Aravali range near Ajmer. So here correct answer is Runi, and Androik River here means which do not water to pass through it. Which among the following river does not form any delta at its mouth? So correct answer is which state river Kishanganga flow? So here correct answer is C, Jammu and Kashmir. On which river Bhagda Nangal Dam is situated? Correct answer is B, Satluj. Which city is located near to which river? So here correct answer is Mulla Muta. A city on the bank of Musi is Hyderabad. The following river is known as Sorrow of Bihar. So here correct answer is Kosi. Which river Baglia Dam is situated? So here correct answer is A, which is Jhelum. Lohit River flows through which of the following Indian state? Here correct answer is D, Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the Yamunotri glacier situated? Answer here is on the Bandarpuch peak that are part of the Mussoorie range of the lower Himalayas, and this is also the originating point of Yamuna river. Son river originate from which of the following places? So here correct answer is A, Amarkantak Plateau. Which of the following is not a perennial river? So correct answer here is D, Narmada. Which of the following river is the longest tributary of Ganga? Here correct answer is C, Yamuna is the longest tributary of Ganga. Gomti river originate from which of the following places? So here correct answer is A, which is Pilibhit district of Uttar Pradesh. Famous Lucknow city is situated on which river? Correct answer is C, Gomti. In which year Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan? So here correct answer is B, 1960. In which year Ganga Water Treaty was signed between India and Bangladesh? So here correct answer is A, 1986. Which of the following is not a tributary of Godavari river? So here correct answer is D, Damodar is not a tributary of the river. Damodar is a distributary of Ganga. River Krishna originate from which place? Correct answer is A, Mahabaleshwar. Shivasundaram fall is found in the course of which of the following rivers? So here correct answer is C, Kaveri. Sagar fall is located in which of the following state in India? So here correct answer is B, Goa. It is on the Mandavi river. Barei Pani falls are located in which of the following district of Odisha? So here correct answer is A, Mayurbhanj. Sagar falls are located on which of the following rivers? So here correct answer is C, Mandavi in Goa. What is the height of Sagar falls? So here correct answer is A, 110 meters. Which of the following is the three-tier waterfall located in Pune district of Maharashtra? So here correct answer is Kune Fall. Which of the following waterfalls is located on the Leh Manali highways in Himachal Pradesh? So correct answer here is Rihala Falls. Chitrakoot Falls are located in which of the following state? So here correct answer is B, Chhattisgarh. Which of the following is matched correctly? Nagarjun Sagar, River Krishna. A, which is correct. Kakrapar project is on river Tapi. It is an irrigation project. Matatila project, it is on river Betwa. And last is Tawa project on Tawa river. So here correct answer is A. Which of the following soil is related to the term Ragur? So correct answer is black cotton soil. What is the reason for the red color of the red soil? Correct answer is D, iron. It's due to the iron oxides. Which of the following is not true about the Koleru lake? It is a lake of fresh water. This is correct. It is located in Odisha. This is incorrect because Koleru lake located in Andhra Pradesh. It is associated with the Krishna and Godavari river. This is correct. Its surface area is 245 kilometers square. This is also correct. So here correct answer is B. Which of the following is not matched correctly? First is Pulicat Lake, Andhra Pradesh, which is correct. Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake, Himachal Pradesh, also correct. Batikal Lake, Haryana, this is also correct. Somrari Lake, it is located in the Changtang Plateau of Ladakh. So this is incorrect. Which of the following statement is not true about Buller Lake? It is a freshwater lake. This is correct. It is in Jammu and Kashmir. This is also correct. Its surface area is spreads in the range of 30 to 260 kilometers square. This is also correct. First is incorrect because it belongs to river Jhelum. Which of the following is not true about Pushkar Lake? So here it is in Rajasthan state. This is correct. It is natural lake. This statement is incorrect because this is man-made. Next is it belongs to Luni river. This is correct. Its surface area is 22 kilometers square. This is also correct. So correct answer. Where is Dal Lake? So here correct answer is C, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. Which of the following is matched correctly? Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake is in Odisha. Second is Bembanad Lake. Bembanad Lake is in Kerala. Third is Parachu Lake, Tibet. This is correct because and Lonar Lake is in Maharashtra. This lake is formed by a crater. So here correct answer is C, which is Parachu Lake, Tibet. Which of the following is the largest freshwater lake of India? So here correct answer is Bular Lake. Which of the following statement is not true? First is Sambar Lake is used for salt production. This is correct. Bembanad Lake is a lagoon lake in Kerala. This is also correct. Parachu Lake was created due to tectonic activities. This is in Tibet. This is also correct. Rajasthan has the largest number of lakes in India. This statement is incorrect because it's not the Rajasthan. It is Madhya Pradesh has the largest number of lakes in India. So here D is the correct answer.